This is Doc Mountain. Let me show you how you can actually trace a person on Mio Live. So what you do is you head on to a place where you received the ID of a person on Mia. So I'm gonna head on to Empire, and here we go. We have this ID here. Search for me and follow me, my ID. So here is the ID. I copy it, then I head on to Mia. Come on, Mia. I open Mia. Quickly loaded Mia. Okay, beautiful. I'm in. So what I'm gonna do is, because the moment that you just happen to open Mia, you're gonna have the live tab. Okay. So if you want to check out people who've gone live, you click on top there where it says stream, and you'll be able to see the people who've gone live. Okay, so this one is live. Okay, so I go back. If I want to search for somebody, I have to, I don't know if you're able to see where it says give. So activating VIP can trigger broadcast. Let's join. Now at the bottom there is a trophy like icon. Then uh, there's an icon which denotes the word. Then that other one, which looks more like a hand lens, that's the one which you have to click on. Then you tap and hold, then you paste the ID. Tip. And then you click search. Come on. Click search. And there we go. You're gonna find the hardboard in. You know what I'm saying? So that's how we do it. That's how we do it.